Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have the American Muscle iconic 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. This car has a 454 engine, a turbo 400 Hydromatic transmission, 12-bolt Posi rear end with 373 gear ratio in the back, power steering, and front power disc brakes. Beautiful cranberry red, as you can see, black red stripes, as you can see. This one's optioned out also with the air conditioning factory unit. It does say 500 horse, I believe it does. There is a mild cam on the car, no overheating issues. Hoses have been gone through. Under the hood looks really good. It's got the cowl induction hood, as you can see there, and also the hood pins on this particular car. I'm not sure if this is a real SS or not, but it's got everything there claiming that it is. But I'm not advertising it as a real SS car. Nice Firehawk on the tires there. You got probably, I don't know, 50% tread maybe. American Racing chrome torque thrust wheels, big tire in the back here, as you can see. Nice door lips on the car, SS door panels, SS bucket seats, SS center console, tilt wheel. I know this steering wheel is supposed to be from a 71 or 72. I have the correct 1970 steering wheel that we're going to place on the car. And as you can see, the SS gauges, beautiful dash, no cracks, nice windshield on the car. Dome light functions, tight headliners, 6x9s in the package tray, rear seat with the seat belts. All the weather stripping looks really good on the Chevelle. Nice chrome all around. Correct dual tips for the dual exhaust system. Trunk appears to look like brand new on the car. And guess what, guys, gals? This has original quarters on both sides. Okay, this is a solid 70 Chevelle with a great hot rod look to it, great stance. Like I said, nice door lips, door panels, inner outer jams, beautiful interior. Guys, you will see how nice this Chevelle runs in a little while because we're going to go for a test drive. Underneath looks super solid on the car. Please refer to our photos. Front grille is excellent, and the headlight bezels and all that good stuff look really good on the car. Let's get this going. I'm going to fire this up. I want you guys to hear how it sounds, and then we're going to go for a nice test drive. Okay, give me 1 second here. Tilt wheel, if I didn't mention that earlier. Car shows 92,995 miles. Believed to be original, but the car's been ground up, restored. It does have an aftermarket Panasonic CD player receiver. And it does function. Got the left turn signal, right turn signal. Horn functions. Car sounds great. Got the F41 rear suspension, sway bar, and like I did mention, 12 volts. Come on, how big that tire is in the back, baby. Very nice underneath. Windshield wipers work.
Before it takes a toll on your home, you need an expert you can count on. For over 65 years, U.S. Waterproofing's reputation has stood the test of time with unrivaled experience and the personalized service of a local family.
Check the air conditioning.
For your basement water problems.
And we'll get that going before we ship out the car to you. Even the clock works, guys.
U.S. Waterproofing. A better basement starts with us. With America's best 14 and complimentary maintenance.
Speedo functions. Everything works. Wow. suspension feels really nice and comfy. Brakes work well as well.
Get 2.99% APR for 48 months or 500 bonus cash on the Santa Fe. New inventory arriving daily.
Power steering feels great. And it goes down the road very straight. It doesn't pull left, it doesn't pull right. Transmission shifts just like it should. Oh, this thing's smooth. Very smooth going down the road. That's not even a quarter throttle. Nice little shift kit. As you can see, it chirps the tires really nice and easy. Suspension feels really, really good. Wow, we're cruising 50 miles an hour and it feels great. So we're going to head back to the shop. MGM is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We are 25 minutes northwest of the Chicago O'Hare Airport and 45 minutes from Midway Airport. If you guys want to come in person and see the cars in person. We also do delivery. I will need your zip code. I can get you a delivery quote that's fully insured for the purchase price of the vehicle. If you guys need financing or delivery, we do both, like I mentioned. Financing, if you need that, listen carefully. If your credit score is between 600 and 739, rates are between 5 and 7%, up to a 144-month term. Rates could go higher because of the long term, but usually a 60-month term, 5 to 7%, no prepayment penalty. If you need financing, please fill out the application at mgmclassiccars.com. Now, if your credit score is 740 or higher, you got a little bit better rates, maybe between 3.5 to 5% with no money down option available, up to an 84-month term, no prepayment penalty. And if your score is 740 or higher, please go to lightstream.com and fill out the application. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. My name's Thomas, MGM Classic Cars. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it to your friends. Guys, gals, you need delivery? No problem. Text me at 847-848-1850. Give me your zip code. I'll get you a delivery quote right to your driveway, fully insured. For those of you who do not text, you could call. Not a problem. If I do answer, I will get you a quote as well, or you can leave a voicemail. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com.